Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW X5. Begin by lightly sketching the fundamental outline of the vehicle. Focus on establishing the correct wheelbase and overall height to ensure accurate proportions. Use basic geometric shapes to block out the main body, paying close attention to the perspective lines for a realistic foundation. This initial step is crucial for a successful drawing. Now, let's refine the body lines, adding the characteristic curves and contours of the X5. Carefully draw the prominent wheel arches and the iconic BMW kidney grille. Next, sketch the distinctive shapes of the headlights and taillights, ensuring they align with the car's design. Don't forget to include smaller details such as door handles and side mirrors to bring your drawing to life. Moving on, outline the windows and hint at the interior dashboard elements visible through the glass. Focus on adding the specific design of the BMW wheels and the texture of the tires. Incorporate subtle exterior details such as the exhaust pipes and roof rails, which are key to the X5's robust appearance. Every element should enhance the vehicle's distinct identity. Finally, it's time for shading to give your drawing depth and define the various surfaces. Use varying pencil pressure to create realistic highlights and shadows, making the car appear three-dimensional. Add subtle reflections to the windows and other glossy areas. Conclude by carefully erasing any remaining construction lines and refining all edges for a clean, polished, and professional-looking BMW X5 drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.